Assalamu alaikum, our dear students. Today, our second lesson for this week. The title of the lesson is Airboard 2. Please open the Technical English 1 course book, page 69. The objective of our lesson today is describing how parts are connected to each other. وصف إنه إزاي الأجزاء بتكون متصلة ببعضها أو الأشياء. Let's first look at the vocabulary. We have four very important words today. The first word is attached, and take care of the pronunciation. We don't say attached, we say attached, as if we have here a T. Attached means مرفق, متصل. When you attach something to another thing, you use something like this, a tool or something. Like when you attach a paper to another using a clip like this, or when you attach a picture to your email, for example. The next word is connected. Connected. Here, these two mobile phones are connected to each other via or through a Bluetooth maybe, or when you connect your laptop to the internet or something like that. The words attached and connected are both adjectives, صفات. Attached, متصل, connected, متصل. So if you try to translate these words in Arabic, they may be confusing. So it's better to think of the relationship between the things here. العلاقة بين الأشياء هنا. We attach a paper to a paper. We attach something to the email, a Word document to the email or something like that. But when you connect two things, like you connect two mobile phones through something. You connect a laptop to the internet. Okay. The third word is suspended. Suspended. Let's look at this picture. Does this man touch the floor? No. Why? Because he is suspended with ropes. حبال. Okay. The last word is mounted. Mounted. What is this TV? Is there anything under the TV? No. So it's on the wall. So it is mounted on the wall. Mounted on the wall. Okay, with all these words, we have prepositions that come after them. Attached. Which preposition do you think comes after attached? Attached to. Connected. Also to. What about suspended? From. The man is suspended from the ceiling. سقف مثلا. Mounted on. Very good. Now, let's look at exercise 8. Here we're going to practice these verbs or adjectives, sorry. Okay, match the pictures with the sentences. We have 4 sentences and we have 4 pictures. Let's look at picture A. We have a lamp, X, and Y. This part is in the ceiling. Here, B, we have X, a camera, and Y, a tripod, حامل الثلاثي. C, we have this adapter, X, and Y, the switch or the mains electricity in the wall. And finally, in picture D, we have X, the handle, and Y, the door. So, number 1, X is attached to Y. Attached to. Which one do you think? A, B, C, or D? Okay, keep it in mind. خليها في بالك. Number 2, X is suspended from Y. Which one? Keep it in mind until we check later. Finally, number 3, X is mounted on Y. Which one? X, finally, X is connected to Y. Okay, now let's check the answers together. A, which number? 1, 2, 3, or 4? 2, very good. B, 3, excellent. C, 4, and of course D is 1. Good. Now, after we have practiced and understood the relationships between these, let's try to apply this to something we studied before. Complete these sentences. Use each phrase once only. Attached to, connected to, mounted on, and suspended from. Now we're going to use them in sentences. The huge cables of the Millau Bridge are steel pylons. To answer this question, you have to, maybe you need to go back to the lesson when we studied the Millau Bridge, الجسر المعلق. Okay, so the huge cables, of course you remember the cables, are steel pylons. The pylons are the upper part of above the deck of the bridge, اللي هي الأعمدة اللي فوق سطح الجسر. So, what do you think the answer is? Okay, here is the pictures to help us. The cables and the pylons. Pylon, the cable, the deck over the bridge, the pier. So number 1 is suspended from. The huge cables of Millau Bridge are suspended from the pylons, steel pylons. Number 2, the pylons and the road deck. The pylons, these ones, and the road deck are concrete piers. Concrete, خرسانة, piers. What do you think the answer is? Attached to, connected to, or mounted on? Of course, mounted on. Thank you. Mounted on. The pylons and the road deck are mounted on concrete piers. Number 3, close the circuit switch. Now the lamp is the current. We need to think a lot to answer this question. Close the circuit switch. افتح الدائرة الكهربائية. اقفله. Now the lamp is the current. Current التيار الكهربائي. لما تقفل الدائرة يعني الدائرة تكتمل. So the lamp is connected to the current. المصباح أصبح متصل بالتيار الكهربائي. Finally, the shelf, الرف, is the wall with screws. Of course, the answer is attached to. Okay, attached to. Why here we used attached? We need to think that there are screws, something that helped us to attach something to another. Okay, now we have finished the lesson. We achieved the objective of today's lesson by describing how things or parts are attached to each or connected to each other. And please don't forget to answer the homework. Okay, after watching the video. And you have 24 hours to finish the homework. Good luck. See you.